So SmokeBoost is my absolute favorite secret weapon on pellet grill. And the reason being is you can do multiple things with it. It can be for that application of flavor and color. And what I mean by that is those longer cooks, so brisket, shoulder, ribs. By utilizing SmokeBoost, I can really set in that wonderful smoke ring that we all love, as well as layering in flavors. So that SmokeBoost is almost like just seasoning your meat at the very beginning and really building that flavor profile. And then I'll up my temperature on those low and slow cooks to continue on with the cook process. But the other thing is for more delicate items or more, I'd say, temperature sensitive items, where I still want to add that smoke application, like smoked salmon or jerky, I can do that on there. This is where SmokeBoost comes in so wonderfully because it dials in my temperature setting I need, but it also adds that wonderful rich flavor from the smoke application that I'm getting there. So sometimes you want to add that element of smoke flavor without really cooking the food. And I think that's where SmokeBoost really kind of comes into play, because it sets your grill at such a low temperature that you're not worried about overcooking something. It's more about the application of flavor. If you want to do some of your cocktail mix or so, you want to do a simple syrup, or you want to smoke some lime, smoke some oranges, things that you want to really like add flavor to a wonderful smoked cocktail, SmokeBoost is perfect for that. Now, the other thing that I want to utilize it for is if I'm doing like a party mix, I can take a simple party mix and really like up my game by putting it on the grill and hitting that SmokeBoost setting, because I'm not necessarily like looking to cook it. I'm simply warming it up and I'm applying that added secret flavor, if you will. The nice thing about SmokeBoost is it gives you that wonderful setting to, if I need to keep food warm, I can utilize it for that. If I'm wanting to add more richness and depth of flavor to the food I'm cooking by slowing the cook process down, it allows me that. And I think it's just truly like a ultimate cruise control setting that really puts it on an autopilot and lets me sit back and take it easy while it does its thing. I think that covered everything. Yeah.